Hey YouTube, this is Josh from Codelation, and I'm starting something new today. It's Sunday evening, just a little bit before 6 o'clock, October 13th, and we're kicking around the idea of giving away a free or freemium tool that we want to build. The idea came from, we just got through the book, The 12-Week Year, which teaches you to think in 12-week chunks instead of annual terms. And one of my goals for the 12-week year is to build a tool and to take it to market. And I ripped this off from a friend of ours, Nick Horob, done doing the 0 to 100 days starting a software company. So, Nick, thanks for the inspiration. I'm stealing your idea. And we're here at day 0. And one of the reasons we're looking to possibly build a tool, or are looking to build a tool, is we've been lucky enough to work with Neil Patel on a few different projects. And one of the tools we originally built turned into his new tool that ties in with Uber Suggest. And so it's an SEO analyzer. And what Neil's always said is that the free tools have been his best way of growing his inbound funnel. And so at Codelation, we help our clients take startup ideas and turn them into outstanding startup products. And so we kind of want to do that and kind of dog food this and do it ourselves. And so day 1 or day 0, whatever you want to call this, is I'm contemplating a couple different options. One is some sort of a tool around the lean canvas methodology, which if you're not familiar with that, the lean canvas is basically a one-page business plan. I don't quite know if this is the best direction or not, because it's already been done a few times. They do have a couple different companies that have similar online tools to be able to fill these out. So we're taking a look at this one, being able to do some sort of thing like a lean canvas. I've seen some struggles with the idea of validation space, and I don't quite know what it could be there, but we're kicking around some thoughts in idea validation, how to talk to your customers, how to make sure that there's an actual need. I've taken to market 4 or 5 products so far, and I keep making the same mistakes on them. And I think a lot of entrepreneurs do, if it's a cool enough idea or if it's a shiny enough thing, or it's technically better, you're going to win. Well, it's never the case. It's always around solving an actual problem. And so I think there's something around the idea of validation. The third is some sort of a marketing or landing page sort of a tool that like a squeeze page or landing page. I'm not quite sure yet there either. But we've done a couple products in that space. So know it somewhat. It's pretty congested. And so those are really the 3 ideas that we're trying to kick around here. And like Nick, I'm going to put a kind of an artificial limit. I'm going to put 75 days as our time frame that we're going to be working in. And I know it's going to get really, really tight. But that's going to really focus us down to creating the best sort of, minimum viable product that we can, or proof of concept, and really get something that's solid, that solves a problem. So I'm going to be shooting these videos, just kind of what we're working on today, sort of a format, documenting what we're doing, aka the Gary V methodology, and just see what happens, see what comes out of it. Worst case, we've got a great story to tell. 75 days is the day after Christmas. So maybe this could be a little Christmas gift for us and for our potential, customers, partners, and we'll see what comes of it. So I hope I enjoy everyone allowing me to ramble here for the literally single or dozens of people that will see this. So this is just kind of me getting out of my comfort zone, shooting a little video, and more to come soon. If you have any questions, comments, please comment below. And if I provide any sort of value here, please remember to subscribe so I can remind you when we have our next daily video. All right, everyone, Sunday night, time to go have some time with the kids, and we'll see you tomorrow.